TeamLab Borderless in Azabudai Hills is truly magical. It is a mesmerizing experience. You feel like stepping into a giant world of amazing art. Forget everything else and just enjoy the lights, sounds, and colors. TeamLab Borderless is a single, continuous world where artworks seamlessly flow into one another. You experience the art with your whole body, not just your eyes. It's an immersive and interactive experience that engages all your senses. You can also immerse yourself in a dreamlike world of flowers as you move. The petals may fall around you, creating a truly interactive experience. One of my favorite installations was the Crystal Universe. Imagine stepping into a world filled with shimmering, interactive crystal balls. These might project colorful patterns or react to your touch, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. It was like being inside a giant, sparkling kaleidoscope. Then you wander through a magical forest illuminated by countless lamps suspended from the ceiling. The light interacts with the space, creating a constantly changing atmosphere. It felt like walking through a dream. Then enter Tea House within TeamLab Borderless. The person who makes tea brings a trolley with different kinds of tea and pours the one you pick into cups. When you sip your tea, flowers appear on the surface of the tea in your cup. As you drink, the flowers keep growing and changing, making a pretty scene in your cup. It was a truly unique and enchanting experience.